already own it, so it puts it in the queue, downloads it here fairly quickly, installs it, and away we go. Now, prior to opening this, let's go all the way to the little 3 squares plus sign, My Apps and Games button, and go down to the downloader, hit the little hamburger button, and we can move to the front. So when we're on the home screen, downloader is already always there up front and center for us to go down, just like an app store. Makes it super easy. We can click on it, boom, go to the website, hit up my webpage. Now, downloader needs to access these things in order to allow it to download applications onto your device. So say allow. We say OK. Now once we're here, go up into the little search area and type in this little quick link, 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. Once you've done that, we can hit go, and this is a quick link to the ledbytheunknown.com. Now there's a quick little, well, slow, long, whatever, 5-second redirect. Once this is done, guys, hit the little hamburger button on your remote again. Add current page to the favorites, and we push save. Boom. Now that we're here, we're going to go to our download page.